All right, so we got a 9300 tractor here. And last fall, while we were chisel plowing, it got really loud. And we see, blew a big fat hole in our exhaust. So we built this bracket here. So once that hole was blown, that exhaust started, built the bracket and held it in place for the time being, finished out the year. Now we gotta replace this hole. So it's time to do some surgery. Let's get going. So if we can find a way to pull the muffler off of the exhaust, and we can either buy a new exhaust, buy a new piece. I think we looked it up, it's about a grand, just under $1,000 to buy one, or I can buy a used one from the junkyard for about $350. Or we can just find a new elbow and do some surgery, kind of cut it, put the new elbow on, and fit the elbow back into the muffler and put it back together. But we do have got it welded here to the exhaust. We also have it welded up here to the muffler, so we'll have to cut those off so we can get them separated. So there's our new elbow. Let's see how it works. We pretty much cut that piece off there, got the elbow fitted on. There's the muffler. No more hole. I think we're probably good to go.